Greetings, fellow outdoor enthusiasts. Today we're diving deep into the world of coolers, specifically the RTIC Ultra-Light 52 Quart Hard Cooler. This insulated portable ice chest boasts a significant reduction in weight compared to traditional rotomolded coolers, promising convenience without sacrificing performance. But does it live up to the hype? We'll be putting it through its paces, analyzing its features, insulation capabilities, and overall value proposition. So, stick around as we break down everything you need to know to decide if this cooler is the right fit for your next adventure. Welcome back to AI Tech Bundle. Let's begin with the fundamentals. This is the RTIC Ultra-Light 52 Quart Cooler. As the name suggests, a key selling point is its weight. RTIC claims it's 30% lighter than their equivalent rotomolded models, and honestly, that's noticeable right off the bat. We'll address the exact weight differences later in the video. Beyond the weight, the design is fairly straightforward. We have durable, comfortable carry handles, which are a definite plus for transporting a cooler of this size. It also features integrated tie-down slots, allowing you to securely fasten it to your truck bed, boat, or any other vehicle. Examining the lid, you'll find a robust latching system designed to create a tight seal, essential for optimal insulation. The lid also boasts a molded-in ruler, which can be surprisingly useful for measuring your catch on a fishing trip, or even simply measuring firewood for your campsite. At the bottom, we have a conveniently located drain plug for easy water removal after your adventure. This is a pretty standard feature, but it's worth noting its solid construction. Now, let's talk about the insulation. RTIC utilizes pressure-injected foam insulation throughout the cooler's body and lid, promising excellent ice retention. The question is, how well does it actually perform? That while the ice retention is respectable, it might not match the performance of some higher-end rotomolded coolers. However, considering its significantly lighter weight, this is a perfectly acceptable trade-off for many users. Keep in mind that ice retention can be affected by numerous factors, including the ambient temperature, the quality of ice used, and how frequently the cooler is opened. Overall, the RTIC Ultra-Light 52 Quart Cooler presents a compelling option for those prioritizing portability and convenience. While it may not offer the absolute best ice retention on the market, its lightweight design, durable construction, and reasonable price make it a solid choice for beach trips, picnics, camping excursions, and various other outdoor activities. Section 7. Would I recommend it? Absolutely, especially if you frequently find yourself carrying a cooler long distances. However, if maximum ice retention is your absolute top priority, you might want to explore higher-end rotomolded options. Ultimately, the best cooler for you depends on your individual needs and priorities. What are your thoughts on the RTIC Ultra-Light Cooler? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more gear reviews and outdoor adventures. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.